Hi, it's David Mason, and welcome to the last cask again. Yes, we're looking at the Glendronach Allardice, Glendronach Highland single malt Scotch whisky from Aberdeenshire, founded by James Allardice, 1826. Yes, the master blender is currently Rachel Barry, but we're going to have a look at this Oloroso sherry cask finish. It's a sherry bomb. But there's a little interesting factoid about Glendronach 18-year-old. As with some other releases, this distillery did actually close in 96, opened in 2001, so it was a 6-year gap. So the stock they had previous to that they released, and they released this 18-year-old, but actually this was bottled 2019, and there's a nice little diagram chart you can find online, and this is probably more like a 24-year-old because of that lull of the closure as to the stock that they had in their warehouses which they had to use. So yeah, we got an older Scotch whisky. Let's get into the actual bottle itself. 46% ABV. It is non-chill filtered, non-coloured, and you can see it's got a lovely dark treacly amber hue about it. The nose is aromatic dark treacle, raisin fudge and muscovado sugar in morello cherries, and baked orange fruit cake. Yeah, sounds like Christmas all over again. On the palate we've got stewed fruits, orange peel, baked sultanas, robust allspice, cigar box and leather. That'll be the age of the sherry oak cask coming through, and the finish is a savour caramelized walnut, treacle and date oil, well into exceedingly long and full body finish. Oof. Anyway, I've had one of these bottles already, and this is my second bottle. Sorry, I didn't drink that all at one go. Actually took about a week. Only kidding. So let's have a pour. Sherry. Oh, right, there we go. See, I'm surrounded by Glendronach today. It just happens to be one of my favourite. Nose. That's sherry. A dark treacle. Candied orange, figs, and they've got that sherry cask, that oakiness in the background. Palate. It's got a real hit of sherry wood then. That's really good. Yeah, those, it's like, yeah, stewed fruits, oranges, raisins. It's quite nice and spicy. It's not overly spicy, it's tingling. It's really, really pleasant. And that sort of old leathery nuance in the background, and the finish is caramelly, nutty. Not really getting any date oil. Can't say I've ever had date oil. Just one more sip. That's a great example of an Oloroso sherry cask from Andalusia in Spain. That's really, really nice. If you're a sherry fan or a sherry led whiskey fan and like a bit of a sherry hit, this is the one for you, 100%. This is around about £100 a bottle now. A couple of months ago it was around about 80, so the price is. Thank you very much for listening.
raise a glass and say Slanjavar, stay safe.